Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's Workshop. So I went to my post office box recently, and to my surprise, I had a wonderful package from my dear friend Nessie at Nessie Monster Crafts. She has a wonderful channel and a family of gnomes, and in my haste to open the package, I actually cut it open with a blade and cut the envelope. I'm really glad I didn't damage anything inside except for the envelope. Now, the envelope says this gift is from Mama and Papa Gnome, care of Nessie Monster Crafts. So definitely check out her channel where her lovely gnome family lives in a tree house that she made from scratch. You've got to see it. Now, the letter says the gift inside is for Aunt Bess and Aunt Janie to celebrate the opening of the dress shop. I am so excited, and this is so very sweet. Nessie, you are precious to me, and I just want you to know how much I appreciate your friendship and your kindness. And let me be careful because you got it wrapped up pretty good, and I do want to open it, but I don't want to damage anything like I did the envelope. Now here I just want to throw out a quick disclaimer. This is pre-recorded video. This video was filmed a little while ago and I'm just now posting it. There's actually a video on her channel that shows how she made these lovely dishes. Now, dolls, I've removed the original sound because you already know I don't know how to act. And these are absolutely precious. I just can't get over how tiny and lovely they are. Now, the thing is, I have done metal tooling before, but she did this with an aluminum pan, and to do something this small and this precious is just incredible to me. To me, the time and the care and the love that went into this is just, yeah, it's exceptional. And Nessie, this is so absolutely precious. You wrapped each thing, and I just got an idea of how I can include this in the story. This is perfect. Now, I did speed the video up a little bit so you dolls can see everything. I really want you to see how lovely all of these are. And I was so tickled because many place settings only have 4, but she made me 6. 6 mugs, 6 plates, and oh no, only 5 saucers. Wait a minute. There it is. I almost got nervous. I always worry about losing things, especially when I get teeny weeny little gifts. I'm so relieved I have all of them. And look how beautiful they are. Dolls, I'm really struggling right now because I really want to break out and play, but I'm going to stack them together. They're so nice and smooth. She put something on them to really give them like an enameled feel, and it's so shiny and smooth and pretty. I'm going to put them away for now, but I want to set them up so they'll look as though they're being unpacked. You see, I can hardly stay focused. I'm already thinking of how I can blend them in and stage them to be a part of the doll stories. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and tuck them in this little box, but I'm going to have to sit down and create a proper box that'll look more like a moving and storage box rather than a remnant from a makeup container. I still can't get over how tiny and precious these are. And I think this is really extra precious to me because it's something that I don't make. I don't do dishes and glasses or mugs or anything like that. When it comes to those type of things, I always buy them. So to get a lovely collection like this that's handmade is truly, truly, really precious to me. Thank you so much, Nessie, for being such a precious doll. So in addition to the lovely package that I received from Nessie Monster Craft, I received another package. Now this package is from my friend Donna C, and this came all the way from Canada. It just blows me away to think of you dolls watching my show and enjoying my content from other countries. That just touches me so much in such a special way. Now, I'm truly tickled about this packaging because putting everything into a plastic container was genius. And my first item I pulled out was this beautiful golden framed mirror. With all the ladies in the house, you can never have too many mirrors. And look at this, dolls. It's a little box. I think I'm going to wrap that and use it as a gift for the wedding. And I got so tickled, Donna. This is so cute. This is a bottle of champagne. Now, the newlyweds are definitely going to need that. And this is a little pie. Look at that. It's got lattice crust on it. And wait, dolls, look at this. It's a tray of fruit. Oh my goodness. Now this will be a perfect centerpiece on the table of Aunt Bess's kitchen. So this is perfect. I gotta open it. Look at that, dolls. That fruit is so cute. Donna, that fruit looks really good. Did you make it? And then there's another bottle of champagne. So 2 bottles so everybody can have some. Ah, and a loaf of bread. Oh, look at this. Look at this, dolls. It's like a dessert with like jello under it and then like whipped cream. Ah, that's so cute with a lime on top. Oh, wow, look at this. And this is a plate of food. Now, this is definitely something I can use at the reception. This is so perfect. Look at that. Cucumbers and dip, tomatoes. Oh, Donna, these are adorable. You dolls have thought of everything. And let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, it's a pitcher full of flowers. That's beautiful. Now it'll be a struggle trying to decide to use that or the fruit as a centerpiece. That is so cute. So there's one more thing inside. Oh, and Donna, it's a chair. It's a corner chair. Oh my goodness. Now, this chair is so precious and it really brings back a really serious memory because I had some chairs like that I reupholstered when I first started the channel, and the original upholstery was like that. So this is so nice. Donna, thank you. Thank you. This is wonderful. Now, this one little piece, I don't think I showed you dolls up close. I want you to see it. It's got like meat sliced and it's got vegetables on the side. Isn't that cute? And dolls, do you see the little knife? Donna, the food is so cute and I've never seen it before. Did you make it? Let me know. Now this next package comes from my friend Kim G. And I always get so tickled when you dolls give me a letter with instructions. It just tickles me so much. So this bundle starts out with some black thread, which was definitely something I needed, and a lovely piece of lace cut out. This definitely could be a doily. Oh, wow, Kim, this is so cute. I used to collect things like this. I used to call those the little sunshine kids. They were really popular in the 70s. Everything said love is. Oh my goodness, Kim, beads. Oh my goodness, red, yellow, and white, a whole tube of beads. Kim, these are wonderful. And they're so teeny, perfect for perfume bottles. It's so amazing when I get brand new supplies because I'm so used to working with scraps and remnants. I don't know how to act. Oh, and this is feathers, a peacock feather. Oh my goodness, Kim, I have so many ideas for that for the dress shop. It's a little cube, and that's cute, and a little wreath. It looks like it's made of resin, but that's really, really cute. It's the right scale. And some spare buttons. I definitely could use those as lids. So these are some type of little metal findings, which always come in handy. Oh my goodness, these are so lovely. All I can think about is perfume bottles. That pearl finish is really deep and really rich. Oh, wait, I knew the finish was exceptional. Look at that. These are premium beads. And Kim, when I got to this part, I was just blown away because this suede is the perfect color and weight. Because I had been searching for some leather and suede or trying to find old leather gloves, just something thin enough that would be the right scale for some miniature projects I had on my mind. And Kim, this was right on time, and I love it that the colors are very gentle and neutral. So thank you. This is wonderful. I truly, truly appreciate this. And it's such a nice amount. The fun part about miniatures is you only need a little bit. So I'll be able to make quite a few items out of this one piece. Okay, let me go on with the box because this has got me just spinning with ideas and inspiration. And she included this lovely 3-toned satin ribbon. So many things I can do with that. Now this is actually the cute little bag that the beads came in, but I'm staring at the fabric. I feel like I want to make something with the bag itself. Kim, these are some wonderful cotton pieces, and I really love the vintage prints. And here's a lovely piece of blue fabric. And as soon as I saw this beautiful piece of silk, I knew exactly the project I was going to use this for. I absolutely love using natural fabrics to make my doll clothes. I really haven't mastered synthetic fabrics that well, so I'm truly excited about all of this cotton and silk. And there were several other good-sized pieces of more cotton and neutral tones. And when I saw this heavier white textured fabric, all I could think about was stacks of diapers for the babies. And look at this lovely eyelet. And then this sunflower yellow. Now, isn't that beautiful? And then there's another white that's like a print with stars on it. And look at this turquoise. Isn't that rich? And then this lovely stripe. Now, when I got to the red stripe fabric, it made me think about furniture. Definitely an upholstery fabric. And dolls, look, she even included some lace and trims. A really nice weight handkerchief or napkin that can be used as a bedspread. There's a beautiful piece of like gingham trim, but it's scalloped at the bottom with kind of eyelet holes in it. And then there's a really nice piece of black fabric that was kind of elastic, but it had like a floral design in it. It was a little bit sheer. So I'm going to make you dolls laugh because I found this little piece of ribbon and then this bag. And when I saw the bag, it was almost a little scary and I didn't open it. I had to message Kim and she told me that it was lamb's wool. And then just when I thought I had seen everything, there was more beads. I saw the light pink first, and then I saw that there was lots and lots of purple. And then there were more little tiny beads and some brass color metal findings. But dolls, I was just done when I saw this. Look how beautiful this is. Although it's very beautiful, Kim has already given me permission to dismantle it if I like. It's such a precious, beautiful gift and has so many beautiful beads that could be used as components for other things. So I'm definitely going to set it aside until I can come up with the proper project to use these wonderful beads on. I'm always fascinated and awe about handmade things. And look how she finished it on the back of the stone. She did the suede on the back. Isn't that beautiful? But look at the sparkle of that stone. Okay, well, let me stop and go ahead to my last package. Now, doll, this package was an absolute surprise, and it came from my precious doll who goes by the name of Figgy. And when I say I was not ready, I really was not ready. Now, all of these gifts today were a pleasant surprise, but this one just took me over the edge. When I saw what was in the package, even before I opened it, I was just speechless. And at first glance, I could see that there were pillows and blankets, but I realized this was a quilt. This was quilted, and I was just speechless. I realize now that she said this is like a coaster for my coffee, but when I moved this package, I realized that they're actually miniature handmade quilts. Now, dolls, I just can't even tell you. I had to just pace myself and I wanted to look at this, and I didn't realize this was a coaster until a few minutes after, but it smelled so good. Everything smelled downy fresh. It just was such a pleasant smell. But look at the pillow. Look at this. Now, this is absolutely reminiscent of the pillows that I made for the rooming house in an earlier video, but I love that she made a pillow and the case. And look at how perfect it is. Oh my goodness. So let me put it back in here. Dolls, I literally just want to grab all my stuff, sit in front of the dollhouse, and play. I really do. I have so much work to do to complete the finishing touches on the wedding, but this was just really a bright spot in my week. Okay, let me just lay this aside so I can show you what else. And then there's another pillow, and I just love that they look so vintage. It's just like it's perfect. And look at this one. It's kind of like a wheat color with kind of antique lace. And then that one matches. So 2 for 2 double beds. And then there's a couple single beds. And here's another set with the white. It makes me want to just set up a linen room just for these items. Dolls, I am literally overjoyed. This has been a long work week, and to get something that's wonderful after a long work week is just great. Now look at this. I just love the plaid and the fringe. Now these are not quilts. They're just lovely blankets. They're a good weight. I could fold that over a sofa. It could be folded up at the end of a bed. Oh, it's just so adorable. It's just, and the scale is so perfect. The prints are so perfect. Look at this one. Oh, this looks like it might go in the boys' room. Ah. Now, dolls, these are smaller blankets that I think would be perfect for the babies. I just love it. Look at that print. It's so soft. Kind of has that shabby chic look. Look at that one. Yeah, I think these are baby blankets, and they're just adorable. Look at this one, just a blue and white stripe. Yeah, these are for the babies. I can wrap somebody up in that. Now, I feel like I've been bracing myself before I get to this section because it just looks like it's going to put me over the edge. That's how I feel. I'm looking at the prints, and years ago I actually made a quilt by hand, and I never did it again. But when I looked and unrolled this quilt, I'm looking like these are individually pieced dolls with a border, and they got the little string through it. Look how straight and perfect those lines are. Okay, so Figgy is a real quilter. She's not playing games out here. This is beautiful. Look at that, dolls. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't get over the perfection in such a small scale. And look at the designs. Look at this one with the dark border. Dolls, are you seeing this? I just don't know what to say. Now, I love the size of these. These two are really, really cute. I think they'll be perfect on a couple of the children's beds. But look at the designs. It's like several different patterns or several different pieces. That's not one block. Those are individually pieced block styles. Look at that. It's just perfection. I still can't get over how beautiful it is. I don't want to be redundant. Let me go ahead and open the other ones. Now, come on. Look at this. Dolls. Come on. Figgy, I am just speechless. The time and care and love and patience it took for you to make something this beautiful and to give it to me, it truly humbles me. Okay, dolls, I'm really fighting here, so let me go ahead and open the next one so you can see how beautiful it is. When I unrolled this one, wow. Wow, Figgy. Wow. Figgy, really? Oh, this is breathtaking. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Dolls, I'm just trying to bring it up close because my mind can't even wrap around it. These are hand stitches. Do you see those stitches? Those are hand stitches, dolls. Just to think that you would just totally bless me with something this wonderful. I have no words, and the word thank you seems insufficient. Look at this one. It's like each one is just as beautiful as the one before. Now, dolls, in the note she included, she indicated that she made these pillows, blankets, and quilts for the dolls that are coming to the room and house to be overnight guests for the wedding. She wanted everybody to be comfortable and have what they needed. And this sure does come in handy because I was definitely short. Me and the dolls truly appreciate your kindness and your generosity. Figgy, I think the part that I just can hardly get over is that they're handmade. There's a special type of labor of love that goes along with things like that, and I can truly feel the love in each and every piece. So I just want to let you know how much I appreciate you for this amazing gift. And it's just perfect because I have 3 beds to dress after the wedding, so I don't even have to worry about the linens because Figgy has taken care of it for me. Now, dolls, if you've enjoyed this video today and want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. And always look for me on Mondays and Wednesdays after 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And definitely let me know what you enjoyed about the video or the channel in the comments. Now, dolls, I want to let you know that I am aware that I'm a little bit behind on my comments, but I enjoy them and I will get to each and every one of you. If you need to reach out to me immediately, send me an email. And dolls, I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.